It's a beautiful cold morning here, 33 degrees, but the sun is coming up and it's going to be a beautiful day. Let's dive in and find some scrap. Well, good morning, Shiver, and I do mean shiver. It's chilly. Frost was definitely on the pumpkin today. All right, what are you? Oh, you are a wine cooler. All right, I don't normally take these, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. We're gonna scrap that or not, we'll see. Well, yeah, somebody was doing some decorating, redecorate. We had some interesting ballast lights there. Let's see. Oh, there's a fan. And the blades still have the hot metal on them, so I'm going to go ahead and grab those. Don't want your orange peel. Now, we don't want the light. So, can we get the light off without any difficulty? Yes, we can. Some folks have suggested that I do like Canadian Treasure Hunter, just take my hammer and whack those things to get the ballast off. And I may do that when I'm back at my shop. But I'm not going to do that here on the street because I don't want to make that kind of noise. It's early. Some people are sleeping. Maybe. Maybe not. But try to keep things down to a dull roar if I can. Okay. Good stop. Now let's see. Let's roll up here and see what are we looking at over here. That has metal look to it. Oh. It's just trim. We're here, we might as well grab it. It weighs next to nothing. Alright, we like aluminum. Here's a little dance I like to call the sidestep and gutter crush. Very easy. Shift to the right, shift to the right, shift to the right, bend over, pick it up. And then, depending upon how long your dance floor is, you just keep shifting right or shifting left as long as you want. Here, let me show you again, just in case you missed it. How much of this we can fit in the back? Not much in the back seat. Oh, I'll get out of your way. It's probably warming up this car, but we'll back up just to make sure we're not in the way. Okay, well, we can't back up because there's another car coming into the cul-de-sac. So we're going to have to pull forward, which means I'm going to have to walk a little bit more. But, oh well, such is life. Oh, we also got a mailbox. That's cool. Yeah, it's a chilly one today, isn't it? Okay, now, just in case you missed that, side step, left, left, side step, right, right, side. There you go. That's the side step and gutter crush. It's a very easy dance. I'm sure all of you can do it. Okay, I'm going to get this guy's garbage can out of his way so he doesn't run into it backing up. And what do you say? Let's speed things up here a little bit. Get through this. You better have a good one. No, that's too low, so can't break it down too well. It's still full of aluminum bits. So chuck you up in here like that. And we'll deal with those as we find stuff. Okay. Sawfish shark. Sawfish shark. See some ubiquitous wire shelving. Hose. Well, looks like another exercise machine kind of day. Probably aluminum. Yep. Yeah, you're aluminum. That's poopy. But here we have the treadmill. Now they pretty much just cut it down for me. I mean, that's freaking awesome. No kidding. They cut this thing down. And I gotta check because that frame might be aluminum. No, it's not. It's not. That's the belt from the treadmill. Oh man, you're heavy. You are heavy. Get up there. Wow. So I want to get that motor off of there. But right now, I think we're just going to tip it in. So much for not making a lot of noise. So that would have been from the dryer. Somebody must have upgraded their dryer or something. More drywall trim. Ear steel. But let's confirm. No. You're aluminum. Huh. Interesting. And you're pretty clean. That's weird. It's like you're brand new. This is galvanized. Let's see, am I heavy enough to squash you? Yes. Ooh. I'm just too clumsy. I'm heavy enough, I'm just not coordinated enough apparently. Go. Good morning. Fake out. I thought that was copper. All right, well, at least it's not plastic. When I drove by, I saw this rusty part and it looked very coppery from the truck. But it was not copper, just rust. All right, satellite dish, and a whole lot of cable. So let's get rid of some. We don't need all that cable. Don't need all the coax. And there we go. Get that off of there. Oh, I should have tried to call the space station before I did that. Oh well. Okay, keep the dishes, keep the feed horns, because the body is going to be cast aluminum, but there's usually a board in there with silver or gold, sometimes just tracings and sometimes a good layer of silver or gold on the board. But they can be a little bit fiddly to get into. So we're blocking their driveway, but we're picking up their scrap. And I don't think they're going anywhere for a little bit, so I think we'll be all right. TV. How heavy are you? You get out of the way. It's kind of heavy. I want to make sure I can get it in properly. obnoxious. So we'll be obnoxious with you, just in a different way. There we go. And that car is a perfect example of why I did not want to park right next to that guy. The TV is not going in the shred pile, I assure you. The TV will get taken out and scrapped elsewhere. I think you're gonna want to hang out like that, aren't you? You know what? Let's see here. There we go. It's bent enough. No, I'm not here for the toilet. Must be a song. I'm not here for the toilet. But I am here for the hood fan. We're gonna need to do some scrapping on you, aren't we? Yeah, those hood fans are good. They have a little fan motor in there, some insulated wire. So, yeah, you know, they're not great, but if you have the time, it's a good breakdown. Nice clean scrap right here. Here. There you are. one's tough. Not gonna go digging for the cord all the way down that thing, but I'll grab that little bit of it. Yep, you're empty. Come here, cord, come here. In you go. There's probably also a little motor down there. I just don't feel like messing with it because it's probably also dirty. It's just a quick microwave pickup. Assuming I don't trip and fall on my own keister, it's a quick microwave. We'll get the cord later. But again, I'm not going to be here very long. Good. Get that wire off of the back of that before we drop it into the yard. And the sprinkler came on just as I was here. Mirror. Just gotta watch out for those mirrors. Because it's bad luck to break a mirror. So they say. Don't want your artwork. But I do want your metal. Your metal. There you go. I'm quite certain that you guys are not really brass, but we'll check. Yep, you're not. What about you? Well, you might be. Brass or pot metal. So, I'm going to pull you guys off. I think you probably pot metal will give you a scrape back at the house. What are you trying to fall out on me for? Stay in there, box. Picked you up, I can very easily put you back down on the street somewhere. I think we'll chuck you up here. Right, fan. It's always nice to meet another fan. Got some Cat 5 wire. Let's see what we're talking about there. Stay. All right. How much Cat 5 wire do we got? Quite a bit. Quite a bit. Well, this isn't going to be much of a shred day, but we're doing pretty good for other stuff. Okay. Lights de Ballast. Alright, for my French-speaking friends, I apologize. What do you call these in French? Any of my French-speaking friends, if you would let me know, I appreciate it. All right, so this one does not say electrical or it says Vermont Electric, but that's not. It doesn't say electric ballast or electronic ballast. So this one gets separated for my yard anyway and sold as a ballast. The ones that say electric or electrical get sold to shred. All right, first things first. Don't need this anymore. Now then, you're going to go right there. Question is, are you going to stay there? Well, the good news is you're not that heavy. Or I guess that's not really good news, is it? Okay, well, don't forget we found ubiquitous wire shelving, so go ahead and leave your guess how many linear feet, you can go with meters if that's what you're used to measuring things in, of ubiquitous wire shelving did we find on today's Street Scrap. Now, I'm sure that some of you steely-eyed fans of the Shark Scrapper channel, members of the Shiver, are saying to yourself, wait a minute, Shark, something's missing. There you were, 3 microwaves, there was a great big TV, what's going on here? Huge announcement, but you have to wait till Tuesday, the 9th of February for the huge announcement. In the meantime, you're just going to have to sit here and watch me unload this stuff. But I will speed it up. I actually have had some folks ask me, have asked me to spend more time showing the unload. So in response to their request, here is some more of this unload. I'll just speed it up a little bit though. Remember, if you enjoy street scrapping videos, I've got plenty of them. I've got a link that's going to pop up here that'll take you to my street scrapping playlist so you can enjoy a lot more of the shark scrapping. Don't forget to subscribe. That's the little red button in the lower right hand corner, and tell all your friends so they can enjoy the shark scrapper too. All right, everybody, be safe. We'll see you Tuesday for the grand reveal.